Facebook has a lot of ways of verifying your business, but once verified, it comes with a lot of benefits. When you verify your domain on Facebook, you're claiming ownership of your domain in Facebook Business Manager. With this, you can enable the Aggregated Event Measurement or the AEM to support measurement of web events after Apple begins enforcing its app tracking transparency prompt requirement. You can also associate your Facebook page with your verified domain. In this way, Facebook will be notified that the page that was assigned with a verified domain is allowed to edit link previous from that website. Verifying your domain on Facebook will also enable you to custom conversions, which let you optimize your ads for custom events and all URL traffic events, which can't be optimized on their own. With this, you can show your ads to people who are most likely to perform the actions that you prefer. Now, let's walk you through on how to set this up. There are 3 different methods in verifying your domain in Facebook Business Manager: the DNS verification, HTML file upload, and the meta tag verification. Since we're using Shopify, we will be using the meta tag verification. Make sure that you're logged into your Facebook and access Facebook Business Manager at business.facebook.com. Once you're in the Facebook Business Suite, click the settings located at the bottom left. On the next page, click the More Business Settings. On the Business Settings, click the Brand Safety drop-down and select Domains. Then, click the Add button. Add your domain on the field and click the Add button. What we need to do next is to verify the domain that we just added. So in default, the meta tag verification is automatically selected. On step 1, copy the meta tag. We will be placing this code in your Shopify website. Access and log in to Shopify at www.shopify.com. Select your store and you will be in your Shopify admin. Click the Online Store Sales channel and on Themes, click the Actions drop-down and select Edit Code. Look for the head tag and press Enter to put a space. Paste the meta tag that you just copied earlier and save your changes. Go back to Facebook Business Manager and click your URL on step 3. You will then be taken to your website. Go back to your Facebook Business Manager again and click the Verify button. It may take 72 hours for Facebook to detect the meta code. Don't be surprised if it gives you an error. Just wait a little longer and it should be verified soon. Once it gets verified, you're all set. The last thing that you would want to do is to add an asset to your website. Just click the Connected Assets tab and click the Add Assets button. Select the classic pages and select the page that you own on the list and click the Add button. You now have added an asset to your domain. If you're using conversion events related to the Facebook Pixel or Conversion API, you will need to verify your domain in Business Manager, and you will be allowed to send 8 events per domain with the new aggregated event measurement. So that's how you verify your Shopify domain on Facebook. We have some helpful tutorials related to this, and you can view it on our channel.
Do you like this content? If you do, don't forget to like this video. Click the subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you will get notified in our next video.